Hi, my name's Ethan. I'm studying at the University of Sydney. I'm majoring in immunology and pathology, and I am working under Jackson's thrombosis research lab. I haven't always been interested in medical research. I've always known that I wanted to help people in whatever career path I went down, and I also knew I had a really big passion for science and understanding fundamental science especially. And when you mix those two together, you do get medical research, and I believe it embodies those two really well. Heart disease is one of the biggest issues facing our society, so I can't think of a more important research to be involved in. So I was actually invited to apply for this scholarship by a member of the thrombosis team, Simone, and I thought it would be a really great experience to get some lab work in before I went into my second year of study. The lab work in uni is obviously very different to real life research, so I thought that would be a really great experience to get that sort of distinction before I choose this as a possible career path. So I've been using a lab model to test the congestion of red blood cells during an ischemic period using a fluorescent antibody, which essentially measures the permeability of a red blood cell clot inside the microvasculature. By understanding the research that we're doing here, we could possibly create a therapeutic to prevent red blood cell congestion during heart disease or possibly an ischemic stroke. So it's been really fun to use equipment that normally wouldn't be available to me during university. So it's actually been really interesting learning how a lab operates. So we learn a lot about the scientific method and how research happens, but seeing it in real life is always very different, and it is a really fun experience to go through, and it's very eye-opening to what research would be like as a possible career path, and I've really loved that and am hoping to pursue that in the future. I'd like to thank all the donors who have made this experience possible. I've really enjoyed my time here and I appreciate it so much. Thank you.